Once you have your KaiOS application, the next step would be to submitting it to the submission portal. In order to submit it to the portal, you'll require a package zip file of your application or the URL of your hosted application, a marketing banner, a KaiOS developer account, and in case if you have a KaiOS device, you can use it for testing after your submission. So before you submit the application, I would like you to have a look at the manifest.web file. Make sure your application has the manifest file and follows the syntax correctly. Most of the time, the error while submitting an application is related to the manifest issues. When you go to submit to KaiStore here, you can have a look at what defines as a valid KaiOS application. Make sure that your app name is not too generic and it should not be 20 characters or longer in length. Have subtitles as well as description for your application. You need to submit two icons of 56 pixel and 112 pixel in size. The marketing banner is the background that user will be able to see when they open the KaiStore. We have observed that applications with good subtitles, icons as well as description have better download rates. Here we have also created a 10-point checklist which you can have a look at before you start submitting the application. Here is a link to the KaiOS submission portal. On the KaiOS developer portal login page, you'll need to create an account. The sign up process is very easy. Just need a username, your name or the company name which will be required for correspondence, and a password. Once you submit the sign up process, you'll get a verification email. You just need to verify the email and then you'll be able to use your KaiOS developer account. So this is what a generic dashboard would look like. Here you have an option to submit a packaged app or a hosted application. In order to upload your packaged app, you need to upload a zip file. You have to compress all the elements of the files from the root folder and submit this archive.zip to the submission portal. The app name, the display name, this all features are fetched directly from the manifest file. You can select the OS versions that you would like to support, a toggle switch which indicates whether you have integrated KaiAds for monetization. In case you want to leave a message to a QA team, you can write it here. Select a category for your application. The marketing banner needs to be submitted here. A theme color which will be highlighted behind the icon. And just submit your application. By default, the application will be having a submitted status. You can change the OS versions if required. The KaiStore also has the function to publish application either on specific country or carriers. You can do so by selecting the HNI and selecting your preference of region. You can use the test device function to test the KaiStore on any of the KaiOS device that you may have. You can also enter multiple IMEIs, especially if you have a developer community or group of developers you work with and you want to test the application. So once you enter the IMEI, within 3 to 5 minutes, this demo app will be available on the KaiStore sports category of those devices. In case you want to submit a new version of your application, all you need to do is click new version and follow the same process. Make sure the version number is higher than the existing version on the submission portal. In case you need to submit a new hosted application, here you'll need to enter the URL of the manifest.webapp file. Rest of the process is similar to the package application. In case you find any errors, issues, or any help is required during the submission process, you can reach out directly to us on developer support@kairos.com or have a read at the frequently asked questions.